Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest update of our new videos directly to your inbox. So friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video you will learn how to recharge your DTH using Freecharge. Friends, at first we have to launch Freecharge application in your Android phone. Once the application is loaded, users need to scroll down and tap on DTH. After that, you have to select operator, Dish TV, Reliance Digital TV, Airtel Digital TV, Sun Direct, Tata Sky, DTH. So you have to select your DTH. So in my case, it is Dish TV. Now you need to enter your VC number or registered mobile number. After entering all these things, users need to tap on continue. And then users need to enter your amount, recharge amount. And then you need to tap on OK button. And then you need to enter your promo code. If you have any promo code, just need to enter the promo code here. I got a promo code from Freecharge through SMS. I want to use this. And the promo code is called 10. After that, tap apply button. See, Voila call 10 has been applied successfully. Proceed to pay now to get flat rupees 10 cashback. Okay. After that, you need to enter the CVV code. I have already added my ATM card here. Various payment option is available here. Saved card, net banking, Bhim UPI, credit card. Since I have already added my debit card or credit card, I just want to enter here CVV. After that, tap OK button or enter button. And then you need to tap on proceed to pay. Processing your payment. Your payment is successful. You will get an option payment successful. And see, cashback is also added to my Freecharge wallet. So friends, in this way you can recharge your DTH using Freecharge mobile application. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.